In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla key card not working in your Cybertruck, Model S, Model Y, Model 3, or other Tesla models. If your key card isn't unlocking or starting your car, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by ensuring the key card is being used correctly. Hold the card flat against the driver's side door pillar, near the door handle, to unlock the car, and then hold it near the center console or cup holder area to start the vehicle. Make sure the key card is within range and that you're holding it in the correct spot for a few seconds. Next, check if the key card is properly paired with your Tesla. Go to Controls, Locks, Key Management on your car's touchscreen and ensure the key card is listed as an authorized key. If it's missing, repair the key card by following the prompts in the car's settings. You'll need your Tesla account password to complete this process. If the key card still isn't working, inspect it for damage or wear. While Tesla key cards are durable, they can become damaged over time. Avoid exposing the card to extreme temperatures, water, or magnetic fields, as these can interfere with its functionality. Another step is to reset the car's systems by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to restart the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, try using the key card again. For situations where the key card works intermittently, there may be interference from other electronic devices or metal objects near the key card. Try using the card without anything else in your wallet or pocket to rule out interference. If none of these steps work, there may be an issue with the key card itself or the car's RFID sensor. In this case, contact Tesla service to order a replacement key card or schedule a service appointment to diagnose the issue. If this video helped you fix your Tesla key card not working issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.